Oh, this is Bobby from Hotel TV Repair. Today with a not very bright but hopefully understandable enough video of LG power supply board. Oh, come on, it's too dark and I don't want to show it. EAY60968801. That's the TV. And this is the customer's identification mark. We repaired that board. It had extensive sign of burns. Our label and most of what can be seen is on the back. Customer returned it about a month later saying that it doesn't work. We bench tested it and it seemed to be fine, so we plugged it in the TV. And this is what we have. It's a functioning TV. So the problem is either something intermittent with that board, which is always a possibility whenever anything works, or more likely something else in the TV. There's nothing more we can do at this point. We'll just be returning the board back. This is just to prove that the board is working in our testing set. Thank you.